Hi, we're in Houston and at SOHO and reporting here for the Lymphoma Hub. My name is Boro Dropulic and I'm with Lentigen, which is a Miltenyi Biotec Company. And we're going to be talking about local or point-of-care CAR-T manufacturing at hospitals. We're currently working with about 100 hospital sites globally in order to enable them to make their own CAR-T cells. And the basis of these collaborations, it's all clinical trials at this point, is automation, or a device that we've developed called the CliniMax Prodigy, which allows hospitals to manufacture their cells within their hospital. And they can simply load a leukapheresis pack onto the device, and with very little human intervention, within 8 to 12 days, the final CAR-T cell product is made. QC is performed locally at the hospital institution, sterility, endotoxin, also PCR and flow analysis. The benefits of local or point-of-care manufacturing of CAR-T cells are a couple of fold. First, lower cost. Because you're not transporting material between long sites, you don't have the associated cost or logistical issues associated with transporting frozen cells. Another important point is flexibility for physicians. Because they're making the cells locally at the site, they can determine whether they need to make the cells and in 8 days dose the patient because the patient immediately needs the cells, or make multiple doses of the product, which some of them they can freeze and some of them they can immediately administer to the patient, or do split dosing, in which patients with very, very high tumor burden, you need a very, very low dose of cells in order to avoid CRS. So one of the major advantages is the flexibility of dosing for physicians. Currently, this is under clinical trials. And we are providing vector without cost to these clinical sites as long as they manufacture the CAR-T cells using the Miltenyi Prodigy device and all the materials and reagents associated with it. And while this is unique, the company is committed to paving the way in order to enable this decentralized mode of manufacturing at hospitals all the way to approval.